first graders, fantastic first graders, or first grade rocks. Good to see you, missed you, love you, happy math time. Yeah, green math book time, of course. We don't need a crayon today, you just need your big brain, and I recommend a highlighter, but make your highlighter be gentle, because when it goes through the paper, you might be feeling a little bit frustrated. So gently highlight today with me, or just circle your numbers, okay? So we're gonna use our pencils or our pens and a highlighter. Green math book, page 85. Okie doke, are you ready for it? Let's do this. Here we go on page 85, green math book. All right, on page 85, that's what it looks like. We are going to write our name and get started. And then I'm even gonna go show Miss Rutland my awesome work as soon as I finish, because she's next door recording too. And today we're going to be making a tape diagram, which is something that you haven't made before, but we can do it. So always circle your numbers and then answer. We're just gonna do the front page. So if you turn over and you're like, Mrs. Jones, we didn't do some. I know, it's okay. Lee saw 6 squashes and 7 pumpkins. Remember, always find your numbers. Growing in his garden. Here comes the question. How many vegetables did he see growing in his garden? So here we go. It says make 6. So I'm gonna make 6 first with my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're gonna put a box around it, which is like, I like to think of it as a piece of tape. And I always label, that's 6, okay? It does look like a little bit like a Lego. I agree with you. Now over here, you are going to continue to draw some more. Do you know what you're gonna draw more of? Exactly, 7's gonna go in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you could color them in if you like it better like that. You could just leave them as dots, but we know that that's gonna be 7. Now we have to count them all to find the total, right? So you could count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 13 either goes at the top or the bottom. You could put it in both places, but always you draw your little arrows or lines to show where that you know that the tape diagram equals 13. We only need it at the top or the bottom for the next one. I just showed or modeled which way you could do it. And then you put the 13 on the line. And then we're gonna read again. Hannah caught 6 lizards and her brother caught 6 snakes. How many, start to underline, that's the question, reptiles do they have all together? Oh, I'm glad I don't live at that house. I don't love snakes. Make your tape diagram. So here you go. I got my rectangle. In the first one, first number, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a 6. And you're like, Mrs. Jones, you went too fast. Push the pause button. Continue with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Label it 6. Now, by yourself, I want you to count how much is 6 plus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Label 12. And don't forget to put 12 on the line. Now we're gonna read about Anton, and that's where I'm stopping, and you're gonna go to the homework page. You're not gonna worry about the back side today. Anton's team has 12 soccer balls on the field and 3 soccer balls in his coach's bag. Okay, how many soccer balls does Anton's team have? Okay, what's your first big number? 12. So make that tape diagram. Now make it big because you got to fit 12 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, label it 12. Now I need to extend my tape diagram because more is coming. 3. And I could do it this way so I know the difference. 1, 2, 3. You could keep it circles too. Really, as long as you have a picture, I'm happy. Label it 3. Okay, now decide and count by yourself. 12, 13, 14, 12 plus 3 is 15. He has 15 soccer balls, right? 15 on the line. Awesome. Now I am going to back up my camera, so I'm going to make it a little bit. There you go. And homework page today is page 87. I'm telling you right now, do not worry about page 86. You are not doing that today. I want you to practice on page 87. And on page 87 for homework, all you have are 4 math problems. So we do want you to try your best on all of them. Thanks for working